Hey everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. Today we're going to be doing this. I got this from Temu. It was in my Temu haul, and it is a Love Art candle pot with hands around it. Now, I did buy it for Aquacast, but I'm going to be using it with epoxy today, and we're going to be painting the hands and the heart two different colours. I'll show you. I've got out some Let's Resin chameleon powders, and I've got the plum for the heart and gold for the hands. So I'm going to use a nice soft brush. I use a makeup brush, and we're going to turn it inside out. I use this flat one. Turn it inside out and start painting. I will put a bit of music on for this because it might be a long time. Take a long time, I should say. Right, I'm going to have a tidy up now, and I'll mix my resin so that it's all nice and ready, and I'll paint this in the plum, and then we'll get pouring. Okay, got my resin mixed up. The resin I'm using is J Diction's Epoxy Resin. I've mixed 250 mils up, and I'm going to mix it. I'm going to make it black. I'm just hoping this is enough. Right, it's taken me, well, it's taken Mr. Wendy's Decorium like 30 minutes to open my pot of black pigment paste. It was welded shut. So I'm just going to pop. It's like the best black pigment paste I've ever used. This, I get this from Resin Detre on Facebook. We'll mix some of that up. I hope I've covered everywhere. I've gone over it again to make sure, but you know, folding it back the right way because I'd turned it inside out. I hope I've not dislodged any, but no doubt we'll see, won't we? And perhaps it wouldn't be me if I made it absolutely perfect. See, that's a lovely black, a proper black. It is lovely. There we go. Right, all we've got to do now is pour it. So let's have a look. I'm going to pour it slowly. It's on a heat mat, by the way. Yeah, I know this takes like 20 hours to cure. But I just put it on a heat mat at the beginning. There was a lump or something in there. That was very strange. Did you see it? Very strange indeed. Like I say, I hope there's enough. If not, we'll top it up. I think we're going to be fine. I think. Yeah. Perhaps I shouldn't have filled it up that much because I do want to squish underneath. Squish the hands. I can see me making an awful mess. There we go. Just making sure there's no bubbles in them fingers. I don't want to squish too hard because of course it's got the powder on it. There we go. Right, like I say, it's on heat mat. I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol on it, on the top, and then we'll just let it cure and I'll be back for demold. Right, it's demold time. Let's see what we've got here. Brand new mould, haven't a clue how it demolds, but we will see. Brute force, I reckon this is what's needed. Right, nearly out. Oh wow, that's pretty. Is it the colours perhaps that I would have chosen? No, but that's really pretty. I did buy this to use an eco resin in, you know, so I could make a candle, but now seeing it moulded, it's got like a shape there that I think you couldn't make a candle out of it. It would need 2 wicks and the flame would be touching that side of it, I think, but that is really nice. I think I will put some lights in it. Needs a good trimming up on the bottom, but yeah, don't know if the colours coming through. This is a very good project for a beginner. If you want something a little bit different, obviously the chameleon powders, but if you want something a little bit different, this is a perfect beginner project. Yeah, very nice. I'll trim it up and I'll take some photos. I'll pop some lights in it or something. And I just want to thank you for watching. Really do appreciate it, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you again next time. Bye.